Hello and welcome, dearest. I'm GrandmaM, and this is day 2 of unboxing the Maniology Box of Gloom, the Halloween Advent Countdown Calendar. And I will move everything over here to the side as we continue our days. Each year we get a sticker. Trying to find a place that is out of the way. So, as the story goes, reading from the book again, they say a garden once bloomed with grace, but shadows crept and claimed the place. Now vines twist secrets, the soil whispers doom. Welcome, my dear, to the garden of gloom. And on day 2, the toad extends a warty hand, inviting you to a haunted land. You slip on nails of ashen shade. A transformation now is made. Ooh. So recapping for day 1 was the Halloween monocle stamper that is limited edition and exclusive to the box. And here we have day 2. And we will put this back in. Put our monocle back in so we don't lose our parts or get confused. So, please use tools and other items to open your goodies. Do not use your nails. And I love how these items are packaged with the this tissue that I do save because I think it is very cute. So I do my best to open it very carefully. Oh, there. Okay. So now that I have this mostly undone, thought I had it undone. There we are. Now I will show you the details of the paper, which is why I like to keep it. I save my boxes and I keep the tissue paper. And I try to open it because it is very thin. It is tissue paper, so it does tear incredibly easily. I have an idea what this is. Do you? Do you know? So this is going to be, ooh, what I thought. Yes. Oh, the brilliance of this is gorgeous. Absolutely. You cannot completely see. I don't think that you can tell. So there is a hint of purple. There is a very chrome. I'm hoping that's translating. There is a very hint of purple as it catches the light, and then it does the fire of the cat eye. Those are gorgeous. And this is Wicked Petal, and this is exclusive to the box. So we will put this back, and I'm hoping to I will search, because this is exclusive to the box. I will do my best to search for something comparable. Maniology does have other press-on nails available on their website that you can get, and then I will see about finding something that will give you a similar hue that you could use if you don't already know of something that you can get, more than likely a chrome or another cat eye polish, I will do my best to find. And thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Be back for day 3. Bye.